What's up, guys? I'm Destiny. I'm back with another how-to. Today, we're going to be talking about how to work through Microsoft OneNote. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and opened up Microsoft OneNote. But the first thing that we're going to go ahead and discuss is how to get started with Microsoft OneNote. So step one is going to be downloading and opening up Microsoft OneNote. So first, all you have to do is either go to your Microsoft Office suite or download it from the Microsoft Office store. And once it's installed, all you got to do is launch it, and your screen should pop open with something that looks like this. Step two is going to be the creating of sections and pages. So there's two ways that we can separate OneNote. The first one is going to be the sections, which are over here. And then within each section, you can add pages. So all you have to do is simply go down to the bottom, click add a section. You can title it. And then once it's in there, you can title the new page that you have opened, which is really super simple and it's really easy. It keeps everything organized and allows you to find everything that you're looking for way faster than you would in any other way. So on top of that, we're going to talk about how you can format your notes. OneNote is really cool in the fact that you can click anywhere on your screen and it will pop open with like a box where you can start typing. And then on top of that, you can grab these little dots up at the top corner and you can move it to, oh, you can move it to wherever you want it to be to keep things a little bit more organized. With that, you can also highlight everything. You can change the font style, you can change the color, you can highlight it. You can do really anything, everything that you would be able to do in Microsoft Word, you're going to have the option to do in Microsoft OneNote as well. So not only do you get to add different text boxes and include different things, but you can also insert pictures, files. All you have to do is go to the Insert tab at the top ribbon and click on exactly what you want to add. So you could do it from a file, from the camera, from online, really anywhere. You can add links, you can add audio, you can include meeting details, which are going to pop up over here on the side. Symbols, equations, all sorts of things. Again, like the same thing that you would be able to complete in Microsoft Word, you're going to be able to complete also here in Microsoft OneNote. The next cool thing that I really enjoy about Microsoft OneNote is that you can make everything into a to-do list. So all you have to do is right-click on the text box that you want to make into a to-do list, go over here to the tag this note box and click on it. And then it's going to give you multiple options. So you can make it to do, you can put a star by it and make it important. You can question it. You can do all sorts of things, which is going to allow you to collaborate with your team much easier because it's going it'll allow them to see what you've completed, what you haven't completed. If you're not comfortable with the Microsoft To Do app or the Microsoft List app, this is kind of your best option. It's very simple and very easy to kind of collaborate on. On top of that, you can share it with anyone in your office or whoever you want to send your notebook to. They will have complete access to it, and you can change who can view it, who can edit it, and all sorts of things like that. You can add messages. You could simply just copy the link and paste it, send a copy of the page, or you can add someone onto here. See, I have someone up in my contacts ready, which I could add, and I could send it to Sydney also. Next is going to be organizing and syncing these across your devices. You can, everything saves automatically. So once you're finished with your note, all you have to do is just simply close out of it and it's going to reopen back up for you the next time you want to collaborate on OneNote. Now that you guys have this really simple skill in your back pocket, make sure that you are using it to collaborate with anyone in your organization, in your free time, at school, wherever you need to use your OneNote, definitely put it into use and it is going to make your work so much more efficient. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.